How to become a leader for dummies. Okay, you're not a dummy. Let's say for a beginner. So here's the thing. A leader has something that a lot of people lack, and that is self-awareness. The first step to become a leader is to understand you, who you are. What are your strengths? What are your areas of development? How are you perceived? What is your communication style? Because all of this combined is your strength, is what is going to make you the best leader. A leader is someone who's authentic, and the more you understand who you are, the more authentic you can be, the more genuine you can be with the people that are around you. A leader plays to their strengths. They know that they're not perfect, and they know what they are good at. So they will use these. We're all human beings, and we all have areas of strengths and areas of development. We complement each other. And a leader knows how to do that beautifully. And it starts with understanding themselves first. So if you're a new leader, that's my advice to you. Invest in self-awareness. Understand yourself. You can do this by talking to the people around you that you've been working with and exploring what they think of you, how you're being perceived, what they think your strengths are, what they think your areas of improvements are. That will give you a blueprint that you can work from. Or better yet, you can take a personality assessment like the DISC Human Behavior. That really gives you a foundation that you can build upon as a leader. So if you're new to leadership, get to know you first.